Hi, and welcome to Little Hatchlings art lessons. We're doing some more alphabet art. We're going to be doing things that start with the letter
Rex.
All right, so like an xylophone, X-ray, and X marks the spot.
Rex.
Okay, ready? Let's do the little saying to help us remember. Ready, set, go. Big X, little X. What begins with X? Xylophone, X-ray, X marks the spot. X. Good job. All right, should we get started?
Yeah.
All right, so have you ever played an xylophone?
No.
No? They're pretty fun. So they're just a bunch of metal rectangles that get smaller as they go down. And often they're rainbow shaped. I mean rainbow, not shaped, rainbow colored. So I've done 3 rectangles so far, and I'm gonna do 5 more, and they just, well, probably 5 more, and they just get smaller as they go down. So I've done 6, I'll just do 1 more. Okay. It's easier if you start with just the rectangles, and then you can do the things behind afterwards. So there are circles, but you can do those after you've drawn your rectangles going down. So you can draw your circles, making a line up. And then behind that you can draw a line going behind all of them. And that connects them all. And you can do the same thing over here where the lines go through and connect them all where the dots are. And then you use these little mallets.
I don't like the mallets.
And you can make an X with your mallets. And you bang on them and they make sounds. So that's an xylophone. Good job. Okay, now an X-ray. Do you remember what an X-ray is? So we're gonna draw a square, and inside that square are bones. Do you know somebody who looks at X-rays sometimes? Your daddy does, huh?
My daddy.
Yep. So we have 2 bones coming together in the X-ray inside of the arm, because you can see it inside of the arm. But on the outside, it's going to be a normal arm. And we can draw like the hand coming out.
I do 4 fingers because that's easier.
That's fine. The thumb must be hidden. So then when we color it, we'll color the skin color, and then this will be black and white, because X-rays are black and white, huh? Awesome.
What about gray?
Yeah, black, white, and gray. That's right. All right, now we're doing X marks the spot. So let's draw like a cool pirate X. Like this. And then we're going to draw it on a map. So you draw a curly line there, and a curvy line down here. And then you curve this around too. And then it curves down here for the bottom part of it. Yeah, because the paper's all curved. And then it comes back here. Oh, you're getting ahead. Wait. And then you can draw like a map. And then you can color in the X red. All right, so now we'll draw a big X and a little X. So you're gonna draw the top part first, and then the bottom part second, if you're doing block letters. So that's how you draw a big X. Then a little X is the same.
Bit smaller.
But smaller. All right, good job. Let's color it. Thank you so much for drawing with us. We hope you had fun drawing things that start with the letter X. Make sure you subscribe to our channel so you don't miss our future videos, and we will see you next time when we draw things that start with the letter Y. Okay, bye!
Bye.